Hi, good morning, my fellow developer. Today, we are going to discuss about the merging or joining operation in Pandas dataframe. Pandas provide a merge function or method, you can say, which perform an join operation. It's like a join operation in database. Here, we are performing join in between the data frame. Merging, so you can see the merge for combining data on common columns or indices. Types of join, as you know, in SQL we have inner join or self join, then outer join and all. Similarly, in Pandas data frame also, on top of Pandas data frame, we can implement inner merge or inner join, left merge or left outer join, right merge or right outer join, outer merge or full outer join. So what is inner merge or inner join? It is row that merge on value exists in both the left and the right data frame. Similarly, what is right outer join? Keep every row in the left data frame where there are missing values of the on variable in the right data frame filled with NN values in the result. Similarly, whatever the right outer join, every row in right data frame where there are missing values of the on variable in the left column filled with NN values in the result. Similarly, what's about full outer join? A full outer join returns all the rows from the left hand side data frame, all the rows from the right hand side data frame, and matches of rows where possible with the NN values elsewhere. Okay? Now, you can see merge using how argument. The how argument to merge specifies how to determine which keys are to be included in the resulting table. If a key combination does not appear in either the left or the right table, the value in the joint table will be NA value only. For example, see, I am creating a data frame. Okay, a left hand side data frame, that is left DF. I am creating a right hand side data frame, that is right DF. You can see. I am printing both the data frame. You can see. I have two columns, ID, name and subject. The first one is left hand side data frame. Second one is right hand side data frame. Now what I'll do, I'll first implement inner join. Row where the merge or value exists in both left hand side and right hand side data frame. You can see I'm just using P to merge. Left hand side data frame, that's left DF. Right hand side data frame, that's right DF. On is equal to subject. What do you mean by that? On which term I want to join it. That is a common column, obviously, as subject is there. You can see based upon the subject column only, I am doing the inner join. Okay. And how? Which type of join you want to do? How it will inner? Inner means inner join I have to implement based upon subject column only. Fine. Now you can see the resultant data frame I am getting. After joining the inner join, after implementing the inner join, I am getting this result. Similarly, suppose I want to implement the left join. So what I'll do? Same two data frame I have taken, left hand side data frame and right hand side data frame. Now, how is equal to left? So previously I was using how is equal to inner. Now I am using how is equal to left. Why? Because I implement the left outer join and on is equal to subject. Same, like on top of subject column only, I am doing the join operation. Now you can see this is the result now. Okay. Now similarly, right outer. Okay. Below in the right hand side data frame, where there are missing value of on variable in the left column filled with NN values in the result. You can see. I'm implementing how it's going to write. On top of subscript column only, you can see. Wherever missing value is there, NN values come in the left hand side. Here, wherever missing value is there, in the right hand side, NN values come in the left outer join. This is right outer join. Okay, right outer join. Similarly, let's talk about outer merge. That is outer join. Outer join is all the rows from the left hand side data frame as well as all the rows from the right hand side data frame and matches of rows where possible with inner values. You can see I have same two data frame, left df and right df. I am using pd.merge of left df comma right df on subject, the same column only subject. How it's going to outer? It will do the outer join only. You can see both the right hand side wherever is missing coming in and will, left hand side where it's missing coming in. Clear, guys? Any doubts so far? And let's move. Other type of join too, like we have one-to-one join, many-to-one join, many-to-many join as well. You can see. Then two data frame I'm taking df1 and df2. Okay, I'm getting another two data frame. That is data frame 1 and data frame 2. I'm printing here. Fine. Now one-to-one join. One-to-one means pd.merge of 1 comma df. So you can see the output. It's one-to-one join happening. You can see direction development. Direction development, and where is direction is there, 2012 is coming. Because on top of name only I'm doing, because employee. So here common column is employee only. On top of employee, I'm doing the joiner. Similarly, let's say zero testing. Where is zero present? Here present. So what's about the corresponding higher 2014. Now zero testing 2014 is coming. Similarly, let's talk about the Pradhan. Where Pradhan is present here. But it will correspond higher date 2016. Now you can see Pradhan is at 2016 is coming. Clear, guys? Any doubts so far? Now, many-to-one. So you can see many-to-one using pd.merge of df3 comma df4. Okay, here again same df1 and df2. df3 is nothing but pd.merge df1 and df2. Instead, I go to the merge operation in between df and df. You can see. So this is df1, this is df2. I am doing a merge operation between df1 and df2 that I am storing in df3. And now with df3 for the merge with the df. That is the example of many to one. Okay. Similarly, many to many. Here, the basic, the part. df1 I am creating, df5 I am creating. Okay, what I'm doing? pd.merge of df1 comma df5. You can see this is df1, this is df5, and I'm doing the merge operation between df1 and df5. Yes. Okay, many to many journals. Now, based on column wise, we can also do merge data frame based on column wise as well. For example, left data frame I'm taking, right data frame I'm taking. Now printing. Okay, fantastic. Now, merge two data frame based upon column wise. How to do it? We did to merge left data frame, right data frame on equal subject. Now, I'm not passing how is equal to. I'm not passing the attribute on how. Whether it is inner join or outer join, whether it is a left outer join or right outer join or full outer join, that I'm not passing here. I just write only on equal to subject. Means on top of subject column, you have to join it. That's all. Then this is column wise join operation. I'm not telling what type of join it have to do. Similarly, merge two data frame based upon multiple column wise. Here I have passed only one column, that is subject. And I pass multiple columns. Yes, I can pass here. You can see on equal to name, comma, subject. On top of both the column, name and subject, I'm doing the merge or join operation. You can see I'm getting the final output here. Okay? Because if you pass like name and subject, you can see name and subject, where both are matching. You can see name and subject. Here, Java, menu not matching, right? Now you can see, for example, here, bureau.net. So here is the only one row which is matching. Now the output will be 6, that is ID. Name will be bureau, subject will be .net, then ID Y is nothing but this is ID X. Okay, this is ID Y. Second data frame ID, that is system is called. So here is the only one row which is matching both name and subject, bureau and .net. Even though here bureau Java is present, but here bureau Java is not matching with the bureau.net. Why? Because the subject is Java, and the subject .net is present. Okay, clear guys? This is all about merging or join operation in Pandas data. Guys, whoever is not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification regarding all the latest video that I am uploading in this channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.